Welcome everyone to another video no one wants to see, another PlastiDip wheel video, right? So my contribution to YouTube. Um, I've only done it the one time. This is it. It turned out pretty well. I thought I'd share a couple things. I'll keep it short and sweet. I have a gloss black set of wheels and I wanted to change, so I went to dipyourcar.com after watching tons of his videos and picked out an anthracite gray wheel kit. I did opt for a spray handle, a couple of red tips, and the BDP brake dust remover solution spray. All that's really, really good stuff. I highly recommend it. So what you want to do is get your car up in the air if you can, take the wheels off if you can, if not, oh well, and wash the crap out of them. And I ended up having to remove some old wheel weight residue from getting new tires. So I thought it was a good time to do this job. So what you want there is Goo Gone. It's great stuff. It just takes a little time to work in. Use something plastic, spatula or something like that if you're going to rub on your wheels so you don't scratch them. I then masked off the wheel weights, the new wheel weights, and spray painted them black because silver ones are stupid. But anyway, yeah, the other tip I could tell you to do is warm your cans up ahead of time in hot tap water. Don't boil anything. Just get it as hot as the tap will put out. Let them sit in there for about 20 minutes, and that'll help the material flow better. Excellent results with that. Along with the tips was a great combination. Yeah, they just put the dip release that comes with the kit on the tire so it doesn't stick to that, and then mask off your calipers with the plastic bags that are provided and go to town. And I already had 4 cans of black laying around, and the kit comes with 4 cans of color, so I just used 4 coats of black and then 2 coats of color, and that was enough to get full coverage. The stuff covers excellent, so you don't have to worry about that. That way it's cheaper, so I have enough now to do another set of tires if I want, or wheels rather. So anyway, I hope you guys like this color. I was really happy. It kind of changes color in sunlight. It has a little bit of a metallic appearance to it, so brighter days it looks brighter, and darker days it looks darker. And you can see a couple of these pictures I've got that there's a little bit of difference there. This is not all on the same day. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave some links in the description below for the products that I used, and I hope you guys have a good one. See ya.